As a young girl, because your boyfriend is broke and you are beautiful, you don't want to be in a committed relationship. You kept your option open because there are a lot of rich men who can pay any price just to have you. You are a very foolish girl who have poor mentality. Listen to me, let me tell you something. Because your current boyfriend is broke does not mean he will be broke forever.
I'm telling you.
Now that he is broke is when you will show him that love and support.
I wonder.
Before aeroplane dive into the sky, it must run on a ground level for a while. Some ladies does not have any patience at all. Do you see all those rich men that are flocking around you? They are just there because they are rich and they want to sleep with you. And once they sleep with you, they will disappear.
You think it's a joke?
At this point, you will lose the rich man and your boyfriend. Very soon, you will join all those group of girls that normally says that love na scam. Hookup will be your next option because you have tested money from that rich man and can never stoop low to any hustling guy out there. You don't want to learn anything from me on this app. The only son of my parents. No worry. You will understand all these things later. Share this video as well.
You doing what?
Carry the camera, come.